Hey, baby Bubba. And Carson. Carson. They're like you and Bubba. They're brothers and sisters. And they're like you and Jake. They're brother and sister.
Look at Cece did.
What'd Cece do?
She didn't do anything. Cece, get out me right now.
You better hurry. We gotta go in and take a bath soon. It's running hard now. So we smoked today. We had brisket. And the Mason family came over. And over there is the garden. We got grass all over the driveway too. We need a grass bag.
Baby Bubba.
You didn't say hi to Carson.
Hi, Carson.
You played with her when you were little.
Is the girl?
Yeah.
Lisa's little girl?
Ruby's little girl. But she was at Lisa's when we were there.
Oh, Mommy. I have a field that will cover the world. I'm Meda!
No, you're Tinkerbell.
No, I'm Meda Tinkerbell! I'm Meda Tinkerbell. I'm Meda Tinkerbell. I'm Meda.
Momo is playing outside with the kids in the rain, hoping Daddy's cleaning the kitchen. I think he is. I saw him in the kitchen, wiping off the table.
And this is
I
me.
can see him up there. That's our house. See how high the foundation is? I need some plants to plant in front of it. Mosquitoes are out here and it's raining. What the hell?
I love you, baby Baba. And Carson.
And Riri.
And Riri.
And Autumn.
And Adam.
And Big and Little Bubba.
And Big Little Bubba.
And Lisa.
And Lisa.
And Jimmy.
And Jimmy.
And Little Jimmy.
And Little Jimmy.
And Karen.
And Karen.
And Tony.
And Tony.
And Aaron.
And Aaron.
And November.
And November.
And Papa.
And Papa.
Who else? Rita.
You.
Rita.
And Rhea. And